Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Pontiac G6 is probably one of the most misunderstood and underrated sedans to emerge from the mid-2000s, offering a blend of sporty styling, surprisingly engaging driving dynamics, and a comfortable interior that often gets overlooked in favor of more mainstream competitors, making it a compelling choice for those seeking value and a bit of personality in their daily driver. Number 5. GM 315 MHz TPMS Sensor 4-Pack. Ensure your safety on the road with our high-quality tire pressure monitoring system sensors. Designed for seamless compatibility with most GM vehicles manufactured after 2006. Experience peace of mind with a battery designed to last up to 10 years. These sensors can also withstand high temperatures of up to 125 degrees. Forget complicated installation processes. Our sensors come pre-programmed for your specific vehicle, requiring only activation with a scan tool. We use the best parts and manufacturing processes to ensure the utmost reliability, durability, and safety of our tire pressure monitoring sensors. This is the perfect replacement for your GM vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system. It's compatible with a wide range of models including GMC, Chevy, Buick, and Cadillac. What we like. This is a direct replacement for your GM vehicle's TPMS sensors. It features a long-lasting battery designed for up to 10 years of use and comes pre-programmed for your specific vehicle, eliminating the need for complex setup. If you're looking for a hassle-free, reliable solution to monitor your tire pressure and ensure safety, this is the choice for you. What people say. The Pontiac G6 has a surprisingly spacious interior for its class, offering comfortable seating for 5 adults. Its smooth ride quality and quiet cabin make it a great choice for long commutes or road trips. The G6 comes equipped with a standard 3.5L V6 engine that provides ample power for everyday driving and passing maneuvers. Number 4. DWVO Radiator for Chevrolet Malibu, Pontiac G6, Saturn Aura. Ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. This radiator is designed to directly replace the original part for seamless integration. With OEM part numbers like S08W06401, 221, 9014, and 5249436, you can be confident you're getting the correct component. Experience maximum cooling efficiency with its high-density, multi-louvered fins. It's built for durability and to prevent leaks, even in extreme conditions. Featuring a TIG welded aluminum core and durable tanks, installation is straightforward. The brass transmission oil cooler and protective coating ensure it lasts. Your new radiator arrives securely packaged with foam protection to prevent any damage during transit. A user manual is included for your convenience. What we like. This radiator is designed for a direct fit in your Chevrolet Malibu, Pontiac G6, or Saturn Aura. It's built with high-density fins for superior cooling and durable construction to withstand extreme weather, ensuring no leaks. If you need a dependable replacement that guarantees optimal engine temperature and longevity, this is the perfect option. What people say. The Pontiac G6 has a spacious interior that offers comfortable seating for passengers. The car's handling is responsive, making it enjoyable to drive on various road conditions. The G6 comes equipped with a decent sound system that provides good audio quality for music lovers. Number 3. AKKON 2005 to 2010 Pontiac G6 Headlights Replacement Set. Upgrade your 2005 to 2010 Pontiac G6 with this exact fit headlight replacement set from AKKON. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with quality components for a seamless fit. This package includes both the driver and passenger side assemblies. You'll receive a brand new pair, ensuring both your left and right headlights are replaced. Designed to OE specifications, these headlights offer excellent visibility. The direct fit ensures a straightforward and quick installation process, providing ease and efficiency. Drive with confidence knowing these headlights comply with Department of Transportation, DOT, and SAE standards. They meet rigorous safety and performance criteria. While designed for a direct fit, we highly recommend professional installation. This ensures proper setup and optimal performance for reliable functionality. What we like. These headlights are designed for an exact fit on your 2005 to 2010 Pontiac G6, ensuring a straightforward installation. They offer excellent visibility, meeting strict DOT and SAE standards for safety and performance. If you're looking to restore or enhance your vehicle's lighting with a quality, compliant, and easy-to-install solution, this pair is an excellent choice. What people say. The Pontiac G6 has a sleek and modern exterior design that turns heads. The interior of the Pontiac G6 is surprisingly spacious and comfortable, offering ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. The G6 comes equipped with a powerful V6 engine that provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling. Number 2. AKANII headlights for Pontiac G6 2005 to 2010. Upgrade your 2005 to 2010 Pontiac G6 with these OE factory-style headlights. They are designed to seamlessly replace your stock assemblies, ensuring a perfect fit. This set includes both the driver and passenger side headlights, providing a complete replacement for your vehicle. Only the lens and housing are included. Drive with confidence knowing these headlights meet all regulations in the USA and Canada, featuring both DOT and SAE stamps for maximum safety. The lenses are designed to ensure full illumination, providing clear visibility on the road. This enhances your driving experience and safety. While installation instructions are not included, these are designed as a direct replacement. We also offer a 30-day return policy for your peace of mind. What we like. These are OE factory-style headlights designed specifically for your 2005 to 2010 Pontiac G6. They meet all USA and Canada regulations, featuring DOT and SAE stamps for guaranteed safety and performance. If you want a direct replacement that ensures full illumination and maximum safety without compromising on style, these are the headlights for you. What people say. The Pontiac G6 has a surprisingly spacious interior for its class, offering comfortable seating for 5 adults. The G6 comes standard with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that provides ample power for daily driving and highway cruising. Its sleek, aerodynamic design gives it a sporty and modern appearance that stands out from other sedans. Number 1. Black stainless steel license plate frame for Pontiac. Introducing our premium license plate frame, crafted from durable stainless steel for a sleek, black finish. It's designed to enhance the look of your vehicle. This frame comes with all the necessary screws and caps for a secure and clean installation. Everything you need is included for a hassle-free setup. Specifically designed to fit various Pontiac models, including the Vibe, GTO, G6, G8, and Firebird. It's the perfect accessory to complement your car's style. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this frame offers both durability and a touch of elegance. It's built to withstand the elements while looking great. The included screws and caps ensure a straightforward installation process. You'll have your new frame securely in place in no time. What we like. This license plate frame is crafted from durable stainless steel with a sleek black finish. It comes complete with all the necessary screws and caps for a clean installation. If you're looking to add a subtle yet stylish touch to your Pontiac's exterior and want a long-lasting, corrosion-resistant frame, this is a great, simple upgrade. What people say. The Pontiac G6 has a surprisingly spacious interior for its class, offering comfortable seating for both front and rear passengers. The G6 boasts a smooth and quiet ride, making it a pleasant car for daily commuting and longer journeys. Its exterior styling is often praised, with sleek lines and an aggressive front end that gives it a sporty appearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.